ladies and gents. Some more footage. We've got Ross in the house now with me, so it'll be a little bit easier. Take you on a little cruise in it. We'll give you the Prado experience here shortly. Temp is staying real nice. So check engine lights. Pretty nice truck. Plus it has the sports shocks down there. You got a normal mode like that. And then to firm up the suspension, you've got that button right there. That gives you a sport mode. Gives it a little bit firmer ride for when you're in traffic. Where's the hub lock button? This is our hub lock button over here. There, you can lock the hubs, and over here you can put it 4-wheel high. Got plenty of power for the size of it. This is true because this thing is not light. No, this thing weighs just a little bit less than FJ80. She is heavy. Yeah, this thing has some weight behind it, which is nice though. I think that's why it rides so well, because of the weight. All right, we're coming up to a roundabout, and we're gonna go down a ravine, if you will, and we'll show you what it's like. This is a good test for any vehicle just because I grew up in this area, and having a 4-cylinder Volkswagen, you got to start right about here. You got to freaking start getting some speed just to get up that damn hill that we're approaching.
That's what it was like on my Trail 90.
Really?
I'm
coming up this? Yeah, you got
by the top. I'm like doing like 5 miles an hour. People thought I broke it. Right. Doing about 40 miles an hour right now. And I'm not trying.
Are you flooring it?
No. I'm not doing anything. I'm barely on it. Maybe a quarter throttle.
So here's the benefit of a diesel having that torque.
There we go. We dropped 1 gear.
Yeah.
And I didn't even put any speed on it when we started.
Yeah.
It pulled the hill just fine.
All right, so what are we hitting right now on the kilometers, Ross?
We're doing almost 60 miles an hour.
All right.
We're at 100 kilometers an hour at 60 miles an hour. Perfect. We're doing about 70.
Roll that window up a little so we can hear you a little better.
We just hit about 70 miles an hour there.
All right. We're 100. Yeah, with the windows up, it's actually pretty quiet in here.
It is. It's a comfy little truck.
Yeah. How does the horn work? Is it in the middle? Nice.
Horn works.
Yours does work.
Wipers do too. Looks like it's gonna rain. It's been a really weird day.
It has been a weird day, dude.
It was really like hot the last 2 days. Or no.
Yeah.
Yesterday wasn't bad either.
No, but it's been in the 90s.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden it drops down to
76.
Jeez, alive. I'll take that all day long.